This time I found an interesting add-on, and I believe it might open the door to a new modeling technique. So let's check what it is. I have here a metaball, well actually a plane. So metaball, and then we check plane. And in the add-on I start an array. When you go for metaballs, there is no modifier. So normally you cannot make an array on metaballs, but this add-on does that. Now, maybe the developer didn't realize there are some opportunities we have now, but I found this interesting. So we have here an array, we can set the distance like that, and we can also change the scale of one of those, like that, like this. We can also change the rotation like that or that. And then once we are done with the translation, scaling and rotation of the first row, we can make another row, and then you don't see anything yet, but you need to translate it. In this case I use the y-axis. Let's say we want something like that. We add some more rows, and we can also scale. So we are defining now the z-axis, and it's increasing on each row, for example. I think you can do some interesting kind of organic modeling. And then we have some random options. If you add translation, you don't see anything yet, but if you click on see it, you will see something like this. So I made a post on blenderaddons.org. So we go over here, blender-addons.org, and the last post is the array tools. And there I show you all the steps. I will put a link in the description. Alright, thanks for watching.